there, everyone! Today, I'm excited to show you how to craft a captivating inhale text animation using CapCut PC. To kick things off, let's set the stage by adding a background to your timeline. Now, head over to the Text tab. Add default text to the timeline. Adjust the duration and type in your desired text. Don't forget to personalize the text style to match your taste and vision. Now, let's bring your text to life with animation. Select your text layer, navigate to the animation section, and locate the inhale animation under the animations. A simple click will apply this dynamic animation to your text. Fine-tune the duration to achieve the perfect effect for your project. And there you have it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.